We went on a bus trip with our local board of realtors to Laughlin, Nevada. Alex and I had a really fun time. We all stayed at the Don Laughlin's Riverside Resort Hotel and Casino. We upgraded to the executive suite so we could have 2 balconies. One balcony has a view of the river, the other balcony has mountain views. The executive suite has a sitting area with a balcony that overlooks the river. It has blackout curtains perfect for mornings you want to sleep in. It has cable TV, a mini refrigerator, and a chest of drawers. There is also a desk and a closet. They had modern furniture and lighting as well. The room also had a coffee maker and an alarm clock. It had very comfy bedding too. The large bathroom had a single sink, a hair dryer, toilet, and shower in the bathtub. The pool area was very nice, and it was a refreshing break from the heat. The next day, we all had float tubes that we all tied together and floated down the river. It was a blast. Then we took a walk to the Golden Nugget and dined at the Saltgrass Steakhouse. It was really good. We definitely recommend visiting Laughlin, Nevada and staying at the Riverside Resort Hotel and Casino. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and we'll see you in the next video.